Hello friends, welcome to the channel Weight Point. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And please check some important links in the description below. There are multiple healthy things that are already in your kitchen that assist in reducing your weight. If you keep these normal weight loss things away from the kitchen, then there is no other option for you to lose weight. In today's video, we will talk about some things that are present in your kitchen and will help us in reducing our weight. And if these things are not in our kitchen, then include them. We will reduce our fat with the help of these things. So let's start the video. Number 1. Oats. Oats have a lot of properties that reduce weight. According to the study, eating oats does not make you hungry for long, which makes you lose weight easily. Number 2. Egg. There is a lot of protein found in the egg, which helps in reducing your weight. It is a very good food item found at home to lose weight. Number 3. Black beans. Proteins and fiber are found in excess in black beans, due to which you do not feel hungry and you also lose weight. Number 4. Flaxseed. According to the study, flax seeds contain a lot of fiber, due to which you do not feel hungry for long and you also lose weight fast. Number 5. Chia seed. Chia seed is very good substance found in your home, which contains a lot of soluble fiber, healthy fat and a lot of calcium. Number 6. Vinegar. Vinegar contains a very small amount of calories compared to other salads. By consuming it, you avoid eating high calories items. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are rich in protein and fiber, which help to reduce your weight. Number 8. Yogurt. Studies have found that using curd in the diet helps you to lose weight instead of using it only as calcium supplements. Number 9. Olive oil. Olive oil contains a lot of healthy fat, which makes you not hungry for long and helps you to lose weight. Number 10. Berry. It has been found in many studies that people who use flavonoids in their diet, such as berry etc., lose weight easily. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger makes your weight loss process easier. It gives you relief in gas and flatulence caused by eating and drinking. Consuming ginger helps you lose weight fast. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic is a substance that contains a very small amount of calories and it accelerates your goal of losing weight. Number 13. Cinnamon. Like other substances, cinnamon also help you in weight loss. Drinking cinnamon mixed with coffee every morning in the morning makes weight loss even easier. Number 14. Red chili. According to many studies, daily use of red chili helps you burn more and more calories. Number 15. Black pepper. Black pepper is considered to be the perfect medicine to cure your cold cough, but in addition, it also helps in weight loss. Number 16. Mustard seed. A lot of selenium is found in it. It also helps in heating thyroids besides reducing your weight. Number 17. Lemon. Lemon gives a great flavor to your food. In addition, it contains very few calories, which helps you to lose weight. Number 18. Quinoa. Due to the high amount of protein and fiber in it, it does not let you feel hungry for long, due to which it also helps in weight loss. Number 19. Almonds. According to the study, it has been found that almonds are more helpful in weight loss than those who use fewer calorie items. Number 20. Cocoa powder. Using it in your diet reduces your weight easily because it contains flavonol, which reduce body fat and also reduce blood sugar level. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.